So I wanted to do a quick video because it took me quite a while to figure this out, doing these for a cosplay costume. I've got 10 LEDs running off one 9-volt battery, so I just wanted to explain the wiring. So if you use one of these LEDs, if it will focus, straight onto a 9-volt, it will immediately blow. So you need to have one of these fellas. We'll see what I'm doing. One of these fellas, it's a 240-volt resistor, and that brings enough resistance down to light the LED to its max without blowing it. So a 240 resistor. And what I did wrong initially, so your negative, your black cable, just goes straight onto the shorter leg out of the two on the LED, and it just goes from one to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next. But on your positive, you've got to run the resistor between the cable and the LED, because what I did was I ran a cable to resistor to LED, and then the next cable from there down to the resistor to the LED. And what happened then was this LED had this resistor and this resistor acting on it, so it was a lot less bright. So you've basically got to go into resistor, into resistor, into resistor. So it always goes cable, resistor, LED with nothing else in between, just so that you get equal brightness all the way along the chain, all the way to the end. I've gone as far as 10. You might be able to go a bit further with them, get a few more on there, but I would imagine it will start dimming after that. So yeah, so it's just to remember, when you're soldering it together, you're soldering the cable coming to it, but you're also going to solder the cable coming off it at the same time. And then same with there, you're going to solder that wire and that wire onto the resistor at the same time to keep that chain running. And just to remember, it goes power line, resistor, LED, nothing in between. So no cables here, no nothing else there. Just wire, resistor, LED. I hope this helps out, guys, and enjoy.